When space is limited, every design choice matters, especially your windows. For many Fayetteville homeowners, slider windows have become a go-to solution for maximizing comfort, light, and functionality without sacrificing valuable square footage. If you're renovating a compact home, updating a room addition, or replacing old windows, slider windows offer practical advantages that fit perfectly with smaller living spaces. Space-saving design that works anywhere. One of the biggest reasons slider windows are ideal for small spaces is how they operate. Unlike traditional windows that swing inward or outward, slider windows move horizontally along a track. This simple design means you don't need to leave extra clearance for opening or closing them. In tight areas like kitchens, bathrooms, hallways, or bedrooms with furniture near the windows, this can make a noticeable difference. For Fayetteville homes with cozy layouts or older floor plans, slider windows help you use every inch efficiently. You can place furniture closer to the window without worrying about blocking airflow or access. More natural light in compact rooms. Small rooms can easily feel dark or cramped, but slider windows help brighten things up. Their wide glass panels allow more natural light to enter compared to many other window styles. With fewer obstructions and slim frames, slider windows create a clean, open look that visually expands the room. In Fayetteville homes where natural light is prized, especially in living rooms, home offices, or smaller bedrooms, slider windows help create a more welcoming and comfortable atmosphere. Easy operation for everyday living. Slider windows are known for their smooth, user-friendly operation. They glide open with minimal effort, making them ideal for homeowners of all ages. This ease of use is especially valuable in hard-to-reach spots, such as above kitchen sinks, behind couches, or in narrow spaces where reaching a crank or latch might be awkward. For busy households in Fayetteville, slider windows offer convenience without complexity, making daily ventilation simple and stress-free. Improved ventilation without the bulk. Proper airflow is essential, particularly in smaller spaces that can feel stuffy. Slider windows provide excellent ventilation by allowing one or both panels to open wide. This helps fresh air circulate efficiently without needing large or bulky window designs. Whether you're cooling down a small bedroom or letting fresh air into a compact kitchen, slider windows help maintain indoor comfort without overwhelming the room. Low maintenance and long-term value. Another reason slider windows work well in Fayetteville homes is their low maintenance design. Fewer moving parts mean fewer things to repair or replace over time. Many slider windows are also easy to clean, with panels that tilt or lift out for quick access. For homeowners who want durable, cost-effective window solutions, especially when upgrading multiple rooms, slider windows provide long-term value with minimal upkeep. A modern look that fits any style. Slider windows complement a wide range of home styles, from classic Fayetteville houses to more modern designs. Their clean lines and simple appearance blend seamlessly with both traditional and contemporary interiors. This versatility makes them a smart choice when updating small spaces without disrupting the overall look of your home. A smart choice for Fayetteville homes. If you're working with limited space, slider windows offer a practical, stylish, and efficient solution. They save room, enhance natural light, improve ventilation, and simplify everyday living, all while adding lasting value to your home. For Fayetteville homeowners looking to make the most of smaller spaces, slider windows aren't just an option, they're an ideal fit.